This microcredential addresses concrete uses in agriculture and consists of 5 targeted skills. This targeted skill provides information about concrete structures in agriculture. Concrete structures in agriculture are very common. Concrete is one of the more versatile building materials used in all of industry and especially in the agricultural industry. Because it can be formed into different shapes with good durability, concrete is a reliable building material that has many uses in agriculture production, processing, and support facilities. Concrete is an ideal material for sidewalks, steps, floors for buildings, foundations, water tanks, road surfaces, and many other uses. It is relatively economical, durable, strong, and fire resistant. It requires very little maintenance and is very weather resistant. Concrete is resistant to corrosive chemicals like animal waste, which makes it ideal for production livestock buildings or flooring, as well as chemical mixing pads or facilities. Concrete helps to conserve energy. It can either absorb or release heat, which allows it to be a thermal shock absorber. It also helps to insulate and cushion building interiors from large variations in temperature. Combined with its durability, long life expectancy, and relatively low cost to mix it, concrete is a very cost-effective building material. As a building material, concrete has incredible compressive strength, but lacks tensile strength unless it is reinforced with steel reinforcement materials, more commonly known as rebar. In order for concrete to be used for applications that support loads like floors, roads, or buildings, it should be used with wire mesh or steel rebar networks that help to provide the strength needed for these applications. Steel rebar typically has ribs or regularly raised surface protrusions that help the concrete to bond to the rebar. This allows concrete to be used for walls, floors, and other support structures which need to support a load. Concrete is placed around and between the rebar, which allows it to be concealed inside the structure while providing strength and durability. Rebar also helps to prevent the concrete from cracking, which can be a problem if the concrete dries too rapidly or is not held together in some other way. One limitation of concrete is that it is very heavy and fairly permanent. This may be a problem if the structure is temporary or something that may need to be moved in the future. Most concrete used in agricultural applications is ready mixed at a mixing plant. It is delivered to the job site or project in concrete mixer trucks that have the dry materials added and then mixed with water to make the slurry, or mud, as it is often referred to in the industry. Concrete that is placed in forms is in a semi-liquid state that allows it to assume many shapes. In this semi-liquid state, the surface of concrete can be worked so that the finish is very smooth, or it can be finished with a rougher texture to provide better traction. Concrete has many uses in an agricultural setting and is a very versatile material. Understanding its benefits and limitations will help anyone using concrete in any agricultural setting to determine how it can best be used.